Fine. Good evening, everyone. So, yesterday we were discussing about chemical reactions, right? So, what are the reactants
The elements which are on the left hand side of the equation.
are known as reactants, right?
Yes.
And products,
Elements which are present on the elements which are present on the right hand side.
right hand side are products. Can you see my screen? Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
What is this Fe?
Iron,
Iron,
Iron. H2O,
water,
water,
water. H2,
hydrogen,
hydrogen.
hydrogen. Yeah. So, you all have studied, studied this. No? You remember this, the name of all these things, everyone?
Yeah,
yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. What is Zn?
Zinc,
Zinc,
Zinc. What is the formula of sulfuric acid?
and
H2SO4.
H2SO4. Okay, good.
So you told that you'll send some homework in the group.
I forgot actually balancing the chemical equations. No, today I will share. I forgot to share yesterday. Today I will share. Okay,
Yes, sir.
good.
On the other day, I tried to balance some equations.
Okay, I will share some homework today. So let's proceed further.
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Okay, writing symbols of physical states. So yesterday we have seen how to balance a chemical equation. So you remember like what all steps we have followed, right? So what we are okay. So writing symbols of physical states. Carefully examine the above balanced equation 1.9. We have discussed about this equation no, yesterday,
Yes, sir.
and we have studied how to balance it, right? That also we
Yes.
have studied. Sumna, why you switched off your video? Can you please come on video?
Sir, can you give me
So
two
yes,
minutes, sir? I'll
okay,
on it.
okay, no problem. Okay, okay, no problem. So yesterday we have seen how to balance a chemical equation. You remember it?
Yes, sir.
So when we are balancing the chemical equation, the main thing is number of atoms on the left side must be same as number of atoms on the right side.
Right side.
That is clear? Okay. Does this equation tell us anything about the physical state of each reactant and product? No information has been given in this equation about their physical states. Now, what is the meaning of physical states? We have studied yesterday, no? What is the meaning
The
of physical states?
physical state can be solid, liquid, or gas. Like how
Hmm.
they are present in
The
nature.
nature
Right.
or the texture of the element.
The state
Hmm.
of they're present in.
Right. That is known as physical state. So generally we have solid, okay, then we have liquid, and then we have gas. I think you might have studied this earlier as well, right? So in this equation, is it is it mentioned here that this Fe is solid, liquid, or gas? It's not
No.
mentioned, right? Similarly, H2O, Fe3O4, and 4H2. It is not mentioned here. Here, this is in which state? Correct? To make a chemical equation more informative, the physical states of the reactants and products are mentioned along with the chemical formulae. It means along with the chemical formula, we should also mention what? Physical states. Got it? Like
Yes.
which reactant is solid, which one is liquid, or which one is gas. So that information should also be present in a chemical reaction or in a chemical equation. then that chemical equation will be more informative. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So whenever you're writing any chemical equation, point number one, you have to mention all the reactants. Point number two, you have to mention all the products. Point number three, that chemical equation must be balanced.
Yes, sir.
Got it? We have seen yesterday, no, how to balance a chemical equation. You remember it?
Yes, sir.
Sumna, you remember it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now in the chemical equation, we should also mention what?
The
Physical
physical
state.
state.
Yeah. And what is the physical states? It's like it is solid, it is liquid, or it is gas. So we have to mention it. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The gaseous, liquid, aqueous, and solid states of reactants and products are represented by the notations G. It means if it is written as G, it means it is gaseous. If it is written as L, it means it is
Liquid.
liquid. AQ means
Aqueous something.
aqueous solution.
Aqueous
And
solution.
if it is S, it means
Solid.
solid. So whenever you're writing chemical equation for all the reactants and products, you have to write their physical states as well. How you have to denote them? If it is gaseous, what you will write?
G.
G. If it is liquid, what you will write?
L.
L. If it is aqueous, what you will write?
AQ.
AQ. Krishna, are you listening me?
Yeah, yes, sir.
How you will represent aqueous?
AQ, sir.
Okay. And solid?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Clear?
Uh,
Divya, is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The word aqueous is written if the reactant or product is present as a solution in water. The word aqueous is written if the reactant or product is present as a solution in water. The balanced equation 1.9 becomes, if you remember, yesterday we have balanced this chemical equation, right? This red color. We have seen how to balance it.
yes,
So
sir.
now, if you see this one, so what we are trying to do here, if you see after Fe, what we have written, what is this?
Solid.
S. S means what?
Solid.
Solid.
Solid. And then H2O, I have written G. G means it is in gaseous form.
Gaseous form.
Sir, but H2O is water and it's liquid in form.
What about steam?
Okay.
Water gets converted into steam, no? Right?
Okay.
That
When heated.
becomes gas, right? Got it?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Okay. Then Fe3O4 is what?
Solid.
Solid form.
Fe3O4 is in solid. H2 is again is in
Gas.
gaseous.
Gaseous.
Okay.
Sir, but how
So
do we know if they are in gaseous or solid?
that means when you are doing an experiment, live experiment, then you will come to know. But just by writing it, we cannot find that which one is in solid, which one is in liquid. Like Manaswini asked, okay, this H2O. It means it is water, right? H2O means water. So it should be L here. But why I have written G? G means it's in gaseous form. or it means like we are talking about water vapor. Have you seen water vapor, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You will see like when you will boil water, after some time you will see some vapors. You're not seen?
Yes. We have seen,
So
sir.
yeah, yeah. So that's the example of H2O in gaseous form. Okay.
Sir.
Okay, and when you will boil above 100 degrees Celsius, so you will get that uh, water in gaseous form. So that is what they have written here. Like this is H2O, but this is in gaseous form. And when you will get it? When you will boil water. Okay. So the steam rising from it is that is H2O in gaseous form. Hope this is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Fe3O4 is in solid form, and then H2 is in gaseous
Yes.
form. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Are you going for badminton classes, Manaswini, these days?
Yes, sir.
Okay, after class, you're not feeling tired?
No.
No? Okay, good. You all must means you should play one outdoor game. It's good for health. It's good for concentration as well.
I feel
Okay,
more refreshed after playing
correct,
badminton.
correct. I totally agree. So one outdoor game I will recommend everyone should play.
I am playing,
Either
sir.
badminton,
Oh,
yeah,
what
either
do
badminton.
I am playing
you
volleyball, sir. Like from January 27th, I started to play in
Good.
school.
Okay.
Like coaching, sir.
Oh, that's good. One outdoor game is necessary, means you all should. Okay, you all are using mobile?
Yeah, pakka, sir.
No, sir.
Pakka.
Everyone will use, sir. No one.
No, sir. My mom, she doesn't allow me.
Okay, good. Somna, you
Yashwant
use
has
mobile?
everything, sir. I don't have a mobile, sir. I actually use tab for homework alone.
Oh, okay, okay, good. Then try not to use mobile. It's wastage of time, right?
Like I
Uh,
mostly use like PC for homeworks, some other things, sir. Like,
a
Yeah.
PC is
phone is on weekends, only for weekends.
that is
Sir,
fine.
he
Like
texts
nowadays,
in Instagram, sir. He has Instagram.
Why I will have
No, no, you have.
see,
I
sir,
know. You send me
sir,
also.
once see sir's reaction.
No, 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 no. You have. I know.
No, I don't know.
Oh, go call your mom. I'll talk to her. Then.
Okay, okay, come
Ah.
on.
Sir,
oh
he
my
has.
God, you're
I don't.
wasting time on Instagram.
And
No,
my
sir,
mom
I
is
don't
friends
have.
with that guy.
Sumna, is it good to use to see like Instagram? Is it good or
No,
bad?
sir, it will distract us.
See, Krishna, Somna is
Sir,
also
I
telling
don't
it
use.
is distractor.
She'll tell like that. Manaswini will tell like that. She has Instagram, Snapchat, everything.
Me,
Yeah,
really.
you only,
No,
you
sir,
only.
I don't have. My mom won't allow me, sir.
Okay, I will
Like
install
Manaswini
one
underscore Rayala.
next time. I'm
Instagram.
going to install one app, okay, and it will check like who is using Instagram. No Instagram, okay? That is wastage of
If my
time.
prince, if my school principal knows that I use Instagram, she'll come to my home and
Ah,
kick me. Really, sir.
Okay, don't use Instagram. It's wastage of time. No Instagram, no YouTube. Wastage of time.
Sir, I have a YouTube channel, sir.
You have YouTube channel.
Yes, sir.
What you're creating those videos? Lal Tomato, Johnny Johnny, Yes Papa, Little Little Star.
Not those, sir.
Oh my God.
Instrumental
Okay,
videos.
I will talk to your father today, Mr. Pardo. Okay.
Okay, sir. What happened, sir?
No Instagram, no YouTube.
I don't have
Got
Instagram,
it?
sir. Really, I have YouTube channel.
Divya, you are using?
no, sir.
Sir,
Really?
sir, it is
Yes,
the
sir.
seventh class, sir. We are
Okay.
tenth, sir.
Ah, sure,
Okay.
sure.
Okay, no, don't worry, Krishna. Don't cry, don't cry. Okay, don't worry. Okay, so when H2O will be in gaseous form, who will answer?
Vapors.
When you will get water vapors. Okay, when you
Water.
will boil water at or above 100 degrees Celsius, you will get water vapor, and that is nothing but the gaseous form of H2O. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, very good. Note that the symbol G is used with H2O to indicate that in this reaction, water is used in the form of steam. That is what they're telling here. Okay, this H2O is water, but it is used in the form of steam. Okay. Usually, physical states are not included in a chemical equation unless it is necessary to specify them. Sometimes the reaction conditions such as temperature, pressure, catalyst, etc., for the reaction are indicated above and or below the arrow in the equation. Now, generally, when we write any chemical reaction, we will mention the reactants and the products, right? Got it?
Yes.
And then the next step is we have to balance them. We have studied yesterday how to balance the chemical reaction, right?
Yeah, yes, sir.
I will give some questions today on that. And any day I can take tests. So you have to be ready. Maybe tomorrow I can take a test of arithmetic progression. So you have to be always ready. Like you have seen like on borders how those army and military will be there every time they are ready. Anytime enemy they can attack, right? So similarly, you have to be ready at every time. Okay. You see, I am not targeting you people to just pass 10th standard with 99 percentage or 98 percentage marks. I don't want that. I want you people to have a scientific thought. From that perspective, I'm teaching you. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I'm seeing APJ Abdul Kalam in you. APJ Abdul Kalam, CV Raman, and Jahangir Bhabha. You know all those scientists, right? So that is what I am planning. But take care. Now Manaswin is thinking I am planning for director, sir. Why you are asking me to become APJ Abdul Kalam? Okay,
Main
okay.
best
No
is
problem.
APJ Abdul Kalam and Swami
See,
Vivekananda.
Manaswini, what you can do, you when you will learn all those things, no, you first become scientist, okay, and then your scientific skill you implement in that movie, okay, so that will become very typical, right? A
TV
scientist come
movies.
director, okay,
Yeah.
you'll become famous. That you can do, okay, good.
Like Mufasa, sir.
Huh?
Like
So
Mufasa, the Lion King.
Right,
Fully scientific.
okay, fully
sir,
scientific. Hmm.
I have a doubt, sir. What does catalyst mean?
I'm coming to that. I'm coming to that.
Tells.
Sometimes the reaction conditions. Now see this reaction and this chemical equation. What they have mentioned, CO. CO means what?
Carbon
Carbon.
monoxide.
Carbon monoxide.
CO means carbon monoxide,
Monoxide.
right? So Divya, you have to remember all these things. Okay. CO means carbon monoxide. Okay, it's a very toxic gas. It's a very toxic gas. If you will smell it for a long time, you will faint. Okay. So in this equation, CO is, this is in which physical state?
Gas.
Gas.
Yes.
Gas, because G is written here.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then we have written H2. What is H2?
Oxygen.
Water.
Sorry,
Sorry,
hydrogen.
hydrogen. Hydrogen.
Hydrogen. Hydrogen.
Who told oxygen?
Sorry, sir. I was thinking about something
H
else.
H2 H2 is hydrogen. Don't do this mistake. Okay. H2 is hydrogen. This is G. G means which form?
Gaseous state.
Gaseous state or the gaseous form. Okay. And then after arrow on the right hand side, what we have written?
CH2OH.
CH3.
CH2OH. Very good, Krishna. This is two, no? This is two.
Sir, I can't see your screen properly, sir.
No, no, this is two.
Okay.
From today onwards, this is two. I will
No,
announce
sir, it's
everywhere that this
CH3OH.
is two.
CH3OH.
CH3OH. Okay, this is methyl alcohol. This is methyl alcohol. What is the name of this CH3OH?
Methyl
Methyl alcohol.
alcohol.
Methyl alcohol. Okay, and right here, this is. Let me write some. Can write text here.
Sir, only CH3 is methane alcohol.
CH3OH, which is known as methyl alcohol. It is also known as in shortcut methanol. Please make a note.
Methane.
Okay,
Sir, what is the chemical formula of chloroform?
I will come to that. First, what I am telling first, write it here.
I wrote it
CH3OH
before
is
only. Sir,
always in a hurry, always hurry. CH3OH, what is the full form? What is the
Methanol
name of
or
this?
methyl
methanol or
alcohol.
Methane
methanol
alcohol.
alcohol.
Either you can tell methyl alcohol or it is also known as methanol. Okay, both are same. Divya, have you
Sir, we
written?
completed this chapter in our school, sir.
You completed this
Yes,
in
sir.
school?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Divya, have you written?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now this is in which form?
Liquid.
Liquid form. Okay. Okay. Uh, is this toxic? What is the meaning of toxic?
It's
It can kill a
dangerous.
person.
Dangerous. Yeah. So this is highly toxic. Okay, and it is flammable as well. What is the meaning of flammable?
It
It
can
burns.
burn or get fire or
Combustible.
light up.
Yeah. Yeah.
What
Correct.
compressible or
Combustible.
combustible?
Hmm. So this is very dangerous. Okay, sometime people will become blind. They will, even if they will use a small amount of it, it's very dangerous. Methyl alcohol, also
So,
known as methanol.
so what do they
Chloroform is
use this for? To,
This is used in industries as a solvent, as a chemicals, and this is also used in antifreeze, and this is also used as a fuel.
Sir,
Okay,
chloroform is
like
also the dangerous chemical, sir.
1 minute.
Sir, I just told
I
about the
am
dangerous chemical, sir.
Sir, I am talking about methyl alcohol. Why you are talking about chloroform, chloroform, chloroform? Anything special about chloroform? Tell me.
No, sir.
I'm talking about methyl alcohol. You are discussing about chloroform, and after some time, you will start discussing about arithmetic progression.
Sir, why?
No, you can do anything. Anything is possible, Krishna.
Oh, sir, I'm not multi-talented, sir.
So I am teaching methyl alcohol. Listen to this first,
Okay, sir.
okay? And don't shake like pendulum. First of all, sit properly.
Sir, I sat properly only, sir.
How you're vibrating like this, like this, like this? You are doing. Why are you doing
Cam
like this? Yeah. See
camera
again,
moves, sir.
camera is like doing like this scintillating in your house. How is it possible? The first time I'm listening that camera is moving like this. What you have you hang your camera on the roof and it is moving like this?
Why I
Oh
oh,
my
sir.
god! Oh my god! What to do? I don't know. You take
That's
some antibiotics, okay?
why, sir?
Okay, okay,
What?
okay. Now listen. Methyl
The
alcohol. I'm
antibiotics
talking
came,
about.
sir.
I'm talking about methyl alcohol. Okay, this is CH3OH. What is the name of this?
Methyl alcohol,
Methane
sir.
alcohol.
Methyl alcohol. It is sweet or toxic?
Toxic,
Toxic.
sir.
Toxic. We should take it daily.
No, sir.
No, sir.
sir.
Oh, this is toxic. Okay, good. Now, what is this 340 atm?
340 atmospheric pressure.
It is the pressure. 340 atmospheric pressure. Good, good. Now this is clear.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
340 atmospheric pressure. So many chemical reactions, when they take place, we have to give some temperature or some pressure. Then the chemical reaction will take place. So ATM means what?
Atmospheric pressure.
Atmospheric pressure.
Atmospheric pressure. Okay, clear?
हाँ सर.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, see the next equation. So now here you have 6CO2. This is aqueous. And 12H2O. Okay, this is again liquid. Sunlight or chlorophyll. So now you are getting C6H12O6 plus 6O2 plus 6H2O. This is again one chemical reaction. So here CO2 is carbon dioxide. This is in aqueous form, right? And H2O, this is L. L means what?
Liquid.
Liquid.
Liquid form, right? And here, what we are using? We are using
Sunlight and
Sunlight
sunlight,
and chlorophyll.
right? We are using sunlight and chlorophyll.
chlorophyll.
Okay. What is a chlorophyll?
So
It is a
the
green
green
pigment present in
pigment present in
chloroplasts in plants.
it gives the green texture to plants.
Green
Green
Very
color
good.
to plants.
Good, good. So it is the green pigments in plants, right? So chlorophyll is a green pigment found in plants. Okay. What it does, it absorbs light for photosynthesis. Okay. Got it?
Yes sir.
Now you will study in higher classes, like we have different type of chlorophyll, chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, chlorophyll C, and all those things. Okay. And the function is they absorb light, especially red and blue light. Okay. And they reflect green light. That is why the plants they appears green. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yes
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Why plants appear green?
Because
Reflect
they
Because
red and
reflect
blue red.
red and blue light.
no, they
Be-
absorb red and blue light and then they reflect green
correct.
light.
Hmm. They absorb
Red and blue light
chlorophyll, absorb red and blue light,
and
but
reflects green. Reflects green.
reflect green. That's why plants they appear
Green.
green in color. Got it? So if anyone will
Yes.
ask you why plants appear green in color, what you will tell?
Because plants absorb the light from the sun.
Chlorophyll,
Oh, sorry. Yeah, chlorophyll.
right?
Yeah, they absorb the red and
Hmm.
blue light, and they, after absorbing, they reflect back green light. Hence, they
Good.
appear green.
Hmm. So chlorophyll is a green pigment which is found in plants. Okay. And they absorb light for photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis?
The process by which plants make their food to survive.
Very good. So the process by which plant they prepare food is known as
Photosynthesis.
photosynthesis. Okay. And for that, what they need sunlight.
Sunlight
Uh,
and
the,
oxygen.
Correct. So that is why whenever you have plant, you have to keep it in the sunlight. If you will keep plant inside a room, what will happen? Will they get sunlight?
No, sir.
They will not get sunlight. And if they're not getting sunlight, what will happen?
They
They
won't
will
grow
They
and they'll die.
correct. They will not be able to cook food, to prepare food, and ultimately, what will happen? They will start dying. Right? Correct. So that is why you have to keep plants outside under the sunlight so that they can prepare food which is needed for the photosynthesis process. Got it?
Yes sir.
Okay. So what they are doing, they are converting sunlight into chemical energy to make food. Okay. Okay. This is clear.
Yes, sir.
And we are getting oxygen from plants only, so that is also very important. That is why we should plant more and more trees. Okay, is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. C6H12O6, what is this?
Glucose.
Glucose. Remember the formula. I will ask next class. I will ask the formula first of all. Sulfuric acid, what is the formula?
H2SO4.
2SO4.
Methyl alcohol, what is the formula?
CH3OH.
CH3OH.
Okay. And glucose, what is the formula?
C6H12O6.
C6H12O6.
When H2O will be in gaseous form, when?
When water is boiled,
It converts into water vapor.
Correct. Why plants appear green?
They observe red and blue light
plants
and
appear
reflect
green
green light.
because
That's
they
why they
absorb
appear
green
They
green.
reflect green light, that is why they appear
Green.
green, right? Okay, good. Using these steps, can you balance equation 1.12 given in the text earlier? Okay, now these are the set of questions, types of chemical reactions. So we'll come to this. Now this is your homework, this one. Okay. This is your homework. You all have NCRT book?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay.
No, sir. So
Divya, you
to
don't
balance
have?
this. No, sir.
Okay, you buy it, okay? You ask your uncle, he will buy NCRT 10th class, okay?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Got it? So this is the homework. You have to balance it. Tomorrow I will check, okay? Will you try to balance tomorrow?
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, good.
Sir, but it is a balanced equation, right, sir?
Just one. You have to check. I don't know this is balanced or not. You have to check it. We will discuss tomorrow, okay? This is the homework. HW.
It's a balanced equation, sir.
This is HW, okay? Now, these are the set of questions which you will try to solve it. Otherwise, we will discuss it tomorrow. Okay.
The chapter is over.
No, we have types of chemical reactions. No.
Yes, sir.
Here, Sumna was asking like about catalyst. Where I have written it, catalyst was written somewhere. No. Yeah, catalyst. Anyone knows what is the meaning of catalyst?
No, sir.
No, sir.
You don't know. You don't know.
Sir, I heard catalysts, but I never heard this thing.
Okay. I will give you a real-time example of catalyst. Okay. See, I'm getting some background noise. Okay. What is the meaning of catalyst? Sometimes it happens like, suppose two friends are there. Okay. Rajesh and Suresh. Okay. Two friends are there. One is Rajesh and the other is Suresh. Why are you laughing, Krishna?
I got a joke.
What?
Nothing, sir.
Okay, so one is Krishna, another is Rajesh. Okay.
I don't.
Okay, one is Rajesh, another one is Suresh. Okay. I told, no, not I. Krishna told. Krishna went to Rajesh and he told, okay, Krishna, do you know this Suresh was telling something bad about you? Then Krishna told to Suresh and he told Suresh, you know, Rajesh was telling something bad to you. Then what will happen? After some time, Rajesh and Suresh will start fighting with each other.
Yes, sir.
WWE will start. Have you seen WWE?
Yes, sir.
Right? John Cena.
Yes.
Okay. So that fight will start. Who is responsible for this fight?
Sir,
Krishna.
Krishna, sir.
Krishna. Krishna will do all these things only. Okay. So here, because of Krishna, that fight has started. So Krishna will be known as a catalyst. So similarly, in the chemical reaction, catalysts are those substances which will increase the rate of reaction. Suppose a reaction will take 1 hour to complete, but if you will add a catalyst, it will be completed in 10 minutes. So what is a catalyst? Catalyst is also known as reaction accelerator. They increase the rate of a chemical reaction. What they are known as?
React.
Catalyst.
What
Catalysts are also known as reaction
accelerator?
accelerator because they will increase the rate of reaction. Reaction will happen very quickly and very fastly. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So catalyst is a substance that speeds up a chemical reaction. Got it?
Okay,
So
sir.
what they will do? They will speed up the chemical reaction. If a chemical reaction, suppose it will take 1 hour to complete, if we will add a catalyst, it will be completed quickly. So that is known as catalyst.
So will they cause any side effects?
There are side effects as well. Very good. There are side effects as well. We'll discuss later. So catalysts are known as reaction accelerator. And what they will do? They will increase the reaction rate. Increase the
Reaction rate.
reaction rate. Are you making a note of all these things?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, there are two types of catalyst. There are two types of catalysts. Now, suppose Sumna saw that Rajesh and Suresh they are fighting with each other. Okay. So now Sumna went there and she told, "Hey Rajesh, hey Suresh, why you are fighting with each other? Don't fight. Live in a peace. Fighting is not a good thing. I will complain to the principal." Okay, Sumna is telling all those things. So after some time, what will happen? Rajesh and Suresh they will stop fighting, right? So what Sumna has done here, she told to Rajesh and Suresh, "Don't fight, otherwise I will complain," right? And because of that, they stopped fighting. So here Sumna will act as a negative catalyst. It means why negative? Because he slows down or it stops the chemical reaction, right? So that is why we have two types of catalysts. One is positive catalyst and the other is
Negative.
Negative catalysts.
negative catalyst. The positive catalyst, they will increase the reaction speed. Increase reaction speed. Clear?
Sir.
Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
1 minute, 1 minute. Okay, and negative catalyst means
It slows down the reaction process.
slows down. Yeah, slows down, or you can also tell it decrease a chemical reaction. Slows down a reaction. So if you want to increase the reaction rate, which one you will use, positive or negative?
Positive.
Positive.
Positive, right? If you want something to happen very quickly, some chemical reaction to happen very quickly with less time, which one you will use, positive or negative catalyst?
Positive.
Positive catalyst. And if you want a chemical reaction to happen very slowly, which
Negative.
catalyst you will take?
Negative.
Negative catalyst. Yeah. So this is clear.
Yes, sir.
Now, I will give you an example from real time. Sometime when you will visit a doctor, they will give you some syrup. That is like enzymes will be there. And what that syrup will do, it will help in digestion. Sometimes it happens now we feel acidity. The food is not getting digested properly, right? So in that syrup, we have enzymes which increases the reaction. It means when you will eat the food, quickly it will digest it. So that is a positive catalyst or negative catalyst?
Positive.
Positive.
Positive catalyst, right? Now, can you tell me an example of negative catalyst? Who will tell? You all are using it.
What is that, sir?
Huh?
What is that?
Yeah, you think and tell me. Negative catalyst.
So
Have
watching
you seen?
Instagram instead of studying.
Okay, okay,
Just a wait. Um,
okay. So you have seen market means in malls or like in marts, you'll be having packed foods,
Yes, sir.
and they will be packed long back, like 2 months back or 3 months back, but still you can use them. So how is it possible?
because unreactive
Be-
gases like nitrogen are pumped into them so that they can I say that
ah, that's the
food
that's also one of the reason. So they use preservatives in food. And what that preservatives do, it slows down the rate of reaction. That is why now you can use that food after a long time. If you will not use that preservative, that food will start decaying. Correct? And same thing your refrigerator also does not, right? If you will
Yes.
keep some food in the refrigerator, so maybe like in another 1 or 2 days, it will not be decayed, it will not be rotten. Why? Because the refrigerator will slow down the chemical reaction. So that acts as a negative catalyst. Got it?
yes, sir.
So positive catalyst example is enzyme.
Enzymes,
Okay. Okay. And negative catalyst example is,
Preservatives such as oil,
preservatives.
sugar, salt.
yeah, preservative. This is clear.
Yes, sir.
See, these all things are not in your book, but you should know all those things. Okay,
Yes,
this
sir.
is clear.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, shall we proceed further?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we will study the types of chemical reactions. There are different types of chemical reactions, and in your exam, you will get question from this. This is a very important topic. Okay,
Yes, sir.
we have learned in class 9 that during a chemical reaction, atoms of one element do not change into those of another element, nor do atoms disappear from the mixture or appear from elsewhere. Actually, chemical reactions involve the breaking and making of bonds between atoms to produce new substances. Yeah, this you will study in higher classes. When you will go in 11th standard or 12th standard, there is a subject known as organic chemistry. So there you will study the internal structure of each and every element. Like what is the internal structure of, everybody can say hydrogen, internal structure of sulfuric acid H2SO4, internal structure of methanol. You will study all these things. Okay. Excuse me. So how they form the bond? You will study covalent bond, electrovalent bond, all those things in the 11th or 12th standard, organic chemistry. Now, the first reaction is combination reaction. What is this combination reaction? We'll try to understand. So they are doing one activity here. Take a small amount of calcium oxide, quick lime in a beaker. What you have to take?
Calcium oxide.
What is the formula of calcium oxide?
CaO.
Okay, good. CaO.
Whoa.
This is the formula of calcium oxide. Okay. So calcium oxide, you have to take a small amount of calcium oxide in a beaker. So you could see here, this is a beaker. Inside this, you could see this one. No, this is the calcium oxide. Now, slowly, what you have to add? You have to add water to it. So you have to keep on adding water. Touch the beaker as shown in figure 1.3. Do you feel any change in temperature? Calcium oxide is also known as quick lime. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Good. Calcium oxide reacts vigorously with water to produce select lime. So when you are mixing water in this calcium oxide, which is also known as quicklime, what it will produce? Select lime. Select lime means what? Calcium hydroxide. You could see here, no? CaOH whole 2. This is your calcium hydroxide. So it will create this. Okay, clear? Okay, CaOH whole 2 means what?
Calcium
Calcium
hydroxide.
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 And the formula is CaOH whole plus heat. If you see here in this chemical reaction, you will get some heat as well. So it means this chemical reaction will produce some heat. So if you will touch it, you will feel some heat. It will be warm. Okay, got it?
Yes, sir.
So in this reaction, what are the reactants?
CaO and water.
CaO and water. And Manaswini is on mute. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And what it will produce? What are the products?
Calcium hydroxide or slag drive and heat.
And heat. Yeah.
So what does
Okay.
slaked mean? Like slaked means the shaking thing.
No, this calcium hydroxide is also known as select lime. Okay. Yeah. And the formula is CaOH whole 2.
Okay, sir.
It is also known as hydrated lime or select lime. Okay.
Okay.
Got it?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
And this will release some heat. That is what at the product side. Whenever in the product side you're getting heat, it means this reaction, when you will touch it, it will be warm. Okay. Generally, this is used like in whitewashing. Nowadays, it is not used. In the earlier days, they used this for whitewashing. And when you will touch it, it will be warm. It will be a hot little bit. Hope this is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
fine. Is this a balanced chemical reaction?
Yes, sir.
Is this balanced? How many calcium atom you have this side?
One.
This side calcium?
One.
One. Calcium is balanced?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How many oxygen atom you have in the reactant side?
Two, sir.
One plus one, two. And the right hand side?
Two, sir.
This O, and here after bracket it is 2, so oxygen is 2. How many hydrogen you have this side?
Two.
2. And this side?
Two, sir.
Two, sir.
2. So this is balanced?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, this reaction is known as combination reaction. Why this is known as combination reaction? Because two reactants has combined to produce one product. Okay. So when two reactants will combine to produce one product, that is known as combination reaction. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is a combination reaction?
Yeah, when two reactants react to form one product is called as combination reaction.
Right. So in
Sir, I
this
have another
example,
doubt. I have a
tell
doubt.
me.
So here on the left hand side of the equation, we have
Hmm.
H2O. Then on
Hmm.
the right side, for O we have like two, and then on the left hand side we don't have two, right?
So this is one O.
Okay.
This is one O.
Yes, sir.
Total, how many O we have on the left hand side?
Two, but can we do that like two of them?
Sorry, I didn't get you. Two of them is how?
I mean, like CaO is different and H2O is different.
Ha,
Can
you
we
can do
convert?
that. You can add both of them. It is allowed.
Okay, okay, sir.
It is allowed. Means this is one oxygen, this is one oxygen. So if someone will ask how many oxygen you have on the reactant side, we have two oxygens. You can add that, allowed.
Okay, sir. Got it.
It's like you have to find the two final sum in the reactant side and the final sum in the product side. Like this you have to do.
Okay, sir. Got it.
Okay. Now, in the simple form, if I have to explain you what is a combination reaction, I can like if I have A plus B, this will give AB. So this is known as combination reaction. It means in the reactant side you have two reactants, but you are getting one product. So this is known as combination reaction. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Krishna, clear?
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Okay. Okay. Okay, fine. I will stop here and we will connect tomorrow. But a lot of things we have studied and the additional information which I am giving you, like about the chlorophyll we have studied, right? Like how the plant appears green, all those things. So these things I will ask in the test as well. And tomorrow, whatever I have covered till today, yesterday and today in science, I will ask all these things. So please revise it.
Sir, about homework?
Homework, I will give you some chemical reactions which you have to balance. And then you have to solve this question number 1 to 3.
Okay, sir.
We'll discuss this tomorrow, okay?
We have to write question or no need of question, sir.
Sorry?
Like we have to write the question and the answer or no need of question.
No need of question, directly you write answer.
Okay.
Sir, actually, I already completed it.
Oh, so do it again, not an issue. I will check it.
Okay, sir.
Okay, I will check how are you. So in your school as well, this is completed, Sumna?
No, sir. Actually, after yesterday, I thought to practice it, so I did it.
Oh my God, great, great. Very good, Sumna. Very good. Why you are switched off your video?
Yeah.
What happened?
Just a small
Okay.
problem, sir.
So you are from which place, Sumna? Means your
Chennai,
city
sir.
name?
Chennai.
Chennai. Oh, Chennai. You are from Chennai.
No, sir. I'm actually from Andhra for studies. I came here.
Oh, I also stayed in Chennai 4 years. You know Tamram?
Yes, sir. I'm actually living near to Tamram in Palikanni.
Oh, Pallikarnai. Okay, 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 good. I
My
was staying
school.
near to Tamram. Urapakkam is there near to Tamram after zoo, Vandalur Zoo.
Yeah.
Next stop, Urapakkam. I was staying there 4 years. I was working in Infosys there in Mahindra World City near to Chengalpattu.
Chengal. Our school is in the district, Chengalpattu, in Medavakkam.
Oh, Medavakkam. Okay, okay. Good. So good place. Chennai is a good place. I liked it. I stayed 4 years. We used to go to that Marina Beach on Sunday. So and yeah, good. And Krishna is from Goa, I think. Krishna, you are from which place?
From Hyderabad, sir.
Oh, sorry, I forgot. Biryani state. Okay. And Manaswini, you are from Bangalore.
Yes, sir.
Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai. Okay, good. I'm from
Bihar also.
Patna, Bihar. Yeah. And Divya also from my state. Okay, good. Anything else?
Nothing, sir.
Yes.
Nothing. So we'll connect tomorrow. Are you enjoying the class? Or you're feeling bored?
No,
No,
sir.
sir. It was
Enjoying?
interesting.
Interesting? Okay, good. Tata. Bye bye. Bye, Krishna.
Bye,
Bye,
sir.
sir. Thank
Have a
you.
nice day, sir.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye bye.
Thank
We'll
you.
connect tomorrow.
Bye,
Bye.
sir. Have a nice day, sir.
Same to you. Bye.